Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. At the end of this term, the elections for the Tripuri Congress session took place in 1939. Full stop. He was re-elected, defeating Dr. Pattabhi, who was supported by Gandhiji. Full stop. Bose resolved to give 6 months to the British to free India, otherwise there would be a rebellion. Full stop. His opinion was opposed. Full stop. So, he resigned and formed a group called Forward Bloc. Full stop. Paragraph change. In 1939, when the World War II started, Gandhiji and other leaders were against doing anything anti-Britain. Full stop. But Bose thought differently. Full stop. He knew, for instance, that the fall of the Roman Empire had led to the freedom of its colonies. Full stop. He decided to seek foreign help for his cause of freeing India. Full stop. He was arrested and kept in his house under detention. Full stop. On 17th January, 1941, while everyone was asleep, Bose slipped out of his house into a waiting car. Full stop. Paragraph change. Disguised as a Muslim religious teacher, Bose managed to reach Peshawar 2 days later. Full stop. Bose went to Italy, Germany and even Russia to seek help, but without much success. Full stop. He decided to organize Indians on his own and he landed in Singapore and became the commander of the Indian National Army or the Azad Hind Fauj and declared himself the Prime Minister of India, full stop, the whole of India rejoiced, comma, as he raised the popular slogan, inverted comma, give me blood and I will give you freedom, inverted comma, full stop, paragraph change, the INA marched to Andaman and Nicobar Islands, comma, liberating and renaming them as Shahid and Swaraj Islands, full stop, on 18th March, comma, 1944, comma, it crossed the Burmese border and reached Manipur, where Free India's banner was raised with the shouts of Jai Hind and Netaji Zindabad, full stop, paragraph change, but heavy rain prevented any further movement and the units had to fall back, full stop. Even then, Netaji was determined, full stop. He wanted to go to Russia to seek Soviet help to fight the British, full stop, but the ill-fated plane, comma, in which he was flying, comma, crashed in Taipei on 18th August, comma, 1945, resulting in his death, full stop. For this brave leader, comma, Bhagavad Gita was a great source of inspiration, full stop. Swami Vivekananda's teachings also had a deep impact on him since his heydays, full stop. He loved to read fresh interpretations of India's ancient scriptures, full stop, paragraph change. Bose strongly disliked Nazis' racist practices, full stop. However, comma, when he failed to contact Russians for help, comma, he knocked on the doors of Germans, full stop. His stand was that in order to free India, comma, even if he had to befriend the devil, comma, he would do that, full stop. Thus, comma, He will always be remembered and revered as the great patriot who risked his life, career, name, fame and everything else for one sole cause in which he believed passionately, the freedom of his country. Full stop. Paragraph change. On 23rd August, 2007, Japanese Prime Minister, Shinzo Abe visited the Subhash Chandra Bose Memorial Hall in Kolkata and said to Bose family that Japanese are moved by Bose's strong will for independence from British rule, and that Netaji is a much respected name in Japan. Full stop. Bose will continue to inspire posterity to lead the nation to greater heights and make it the India of his dreams. Full stop. Concluding with the slogan that he gave, calling Jai Hind. Full stop. Stop.